Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Magandang
Ah,
gabi din naman.
Ako nga po pala si Tony. Ang kasama ko si Aldrin Onchoy. Mula po kami sa Capitol Home Site, Lucena City.
Taga Arias yan.
Oo nga pala, Santa Isabel lang isa. Kami po ay gumawa ng video para inyong mapakinggan. At we hope that you're gonna like it.
Tamaan ng
It's
tatamaan.
a compilation of classic and OPM songs na inihanda po namin para sa inyo. At sana po magustuhan nyo, yun lang.
Hi Augie, hi Michael B.
There were bells on a hill, but I never heard them ringing, though I never heard them at all, till there was you. There were birds in the sky, but I never saw them ringing, though I never heard them at all, till there was you. Till there was music and wonderful roses, they'd tell me, in sweet fragrant meadows of dawn and you. There was love all around, but I never heard a ringing, though I never heard them at all, till there was you.
Ito na naman ang puso ko, tumitibok-tibok at mayroong binubulong. Tila mayroong nadarama, umiibig na yata sa'yo, sinta. Kaya't sana'y pakinggan mo, ako ay di nagbibiro. Sa puso ko'y walang katulad mo. Mahal kita, kayong lahat. Paniwalaan mo sana ako, sinta. Mahal ko sila, walang iba. Sa puso ko'y walang katulad mo. Concepcion.
Aba, kinakarir mo na si Kon, ha?
Sinong sikon?
Si Kon, yung vitamin C.
Ay, oo.
Ogi yan, mag-ogi rin ako. Mayroon akong nais malaman, maaari bang magtanong, alam mo bang matagal na kitang iniibig?
Since birth.
Ikaw lang, wala nang iba. Nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo, kahit na nagdurugo ang puso. Kung sakaling iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-alala, may nagmamahal sa'yo, nandito si Kon.
Nasaan? Nasaan sikon?
Nasa Lokban, Brad.
Hindi ko makita kasi parang bonsai.
Oo, yun eh. Basta parang si Kanolan lang yun eh.
What is our next song?
For our next number, Aldrin Onchoy will sing a song which is a Beatles original entitled Yesterday. Go, go!
Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. Now it looks that over here to stay. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Suddenly, I'm not half the man I used to be. There's a shadow hanging over me. Oh, yesterday came suddenly. Why she had to go, I don't know. She wouldn't say. I said something wrong, now I long for yesterday. Yesterday.
I'll give her all my love. That's all I do. Bright are the stars that shine. Dark is the sky. I know this love of mine will never die. And I love her. Anong toot?
Toot,
Oh, hindi kasama
meaning-
yan.
Toot!
Ah, toot. As in ano? Toot. When you wake up each morning and you feel like calling, I'll be there for you. When there's no one beside you, I'll be there to guide you. Catch you each time you'd fall. When the stars don't shine anymore, I'll be there. Ngayon at kailanman,
The present and forever.
ako'y ibigin ka. Ngayon at kailanman.
Sino nga ba si... Sino yung katext mo lagi? Ang pangalan?
Ka-text ko? Si Marge.
Si Marge.
Sumpa ko'y ibigin ka ngayon at kailanman.
Oh,
Ikaw na, chorus na.
nalimutan ko nga lyrics. Ito na lang.
Iba na lang. Para may maalala ka. Sigurado.
Minsan lang kitang iibigin. Minsan lang kitang mamahalin. Ang pagmamahal sa'yo'y walang hangganan. Dahil lang minsan ay magpakailanman.
Para may naalala yata ako dun.
Yung ba yung kinanta ko sa Dibu?
Parang di bo yata